Fire in the hole! Let's cook some s'mores! Stay tuned! Exactly. That's what we're doing. We're trying to stay far away from the fire as we can.
Yeah.
Okay? So, welcome to my barbecue pit. And who are you, sir?
Maddox.
Maddox? I thought you wanted to be called Rootboy T-Rex today.
Oh yeah.
You want to be called Rootboy T-Rex?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my
So what are we
name.
making today here, Maddox? What are we making today?
S'mores.
S'mores. What are s'mores?
There's these delicious things
Delicious things.
that are made out of graham crackers.
We need a graham cracker, right?
Marshmallows
Marshmallows
and chocolate.
and chocolate. Now, have you ever roasted a marshmallow?
Yep.
With who?
Like yeah.
Your Tia? I'm putting a marshmallow on your fork. Don't roast it up just yet. Let me get this chocolate going.
I want to eat.
Our first graham cracker broke, but that's okay.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out. Let's get some Hershey's chocolate. We got this Hershey's chocolate s'mores kit that I got.
Yeah.
We're going to take this chocolate. It says there's enough here to make 8 s'mores. But I figure we probably could only make maybe 6. I don't know. Let's figure it out. Let's see. Let's take that much chocolate on the bottom. Let's put that much chocolate on there, okay?
That's good.
And let's set that aside. Get another graham cracker ready for the top. Okay, now I'm going to get a marshmallow too, because I'm going to make one too. In fact, I'm going to get another graham cracker ready for the bottom of mine. I'm going to put this whole thing of chocolate on mine. And I'm going to get me a marshmallow. On my fork, I got a barbecue fork too. And now, what we're going to do is lay these over here on the hot fire. See how I'm doing mine?
Yep. Can I
Okay,
start?
let me just show the
Can I
people.
start?
Yeah, go ahead. Put it right here and keep turning it. And don't let it catch on fire. See what I'm doing?
Yeah.
I'm toasting the marshmallow. It's very hot fire. Want to keep rolling it like that. Rolling it. This one's going to be yours with the double chocolate, okay? And this one's going to be mine. And we need a cracker for yours. Top cracker. Let's get that top cracker ready. Ready to go. Look, mine's getting toasty. See it?
Yeah.
Mine's getting toasty.
Mine's not.
You keep rolling it. Keep her rolling.
This is my first time doing this.
I know it's your first time doing it, but you got to be careful. It's a very hot fire. Okay? So you just want to get the whole marshmallow looking like that. See what I mean?
Yeah.
We get the whole marshmallow looking toasty like that. Because that marshmallow is going to help melt that chocolate, the s'mores. I'm going to lay your chocolate out a little differently. I had it doubled up, but I think I'm going to single it up now. And these are your top crackers. You got to be careful. Don't let that thing burn, because it will burn. And don't forget, the end of that fork is hot too. Right? Right, buddy?
Yeah.
So you like s'mores? Oh, look, mine's getting really toasty. Uh-oh. Mine's too toasty. I'm getting it off there. I'm going to get that on there.
Mine's not even ready.
And put my cracker on there. And there you go. That's one. One down. Yours isn't ready?
Look
Keep
at my-
toasting. Keep toasting, bro.
How am I gonna do this?
I'm going to get another one. I'm going to get another marshmallow. In fact, I think I'm going to get 2 of them on there for the next one. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but I think a double marshmallow is the way to go.
Yeah, it does.
Let's see. Don't forget, the end of that fork is hot.
I know.
I'm only going to go with 1 marshmallow. Just get it on there. Get it. Yours is getting toasty.
I see.
It's getting toasty. Just keep turning it. There you go. See, put it in there. Put it in the fire.
Yeah, it is starting to.
Yeah, it's getting toasty. You're going to lose it. You're finna lose it. Let me see. Let me get it on there better.
Okay.
Because yours is like falling off. Okay, here. Go again. Don't forget. You just want to toast it. Toast it up real good. I'm going to put another marshmallow on this first one that I made. Because I don't think it was hot enough or something.
I'm gonna do a double marshmallow.
A double marshmallow for the next one? Okay. Yeah, we're getting it done. Getting our s'mores done. S'mores. You know why they call them s'mores? Because when you eat them, you want some more. When you say, I want some more. You're getting it done, buddy. Keep turning it.
Yeah, because these are.
You see where it's toasted on top? Turn it up. Turn the toasted part up.
I saw.
You could get a little closer to the fire if you're not too careful about it. Oh, mine's getting really toasty.
Mine's not.
Pick it up out of the coals.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, you whacked it. Okay, now mine's perfect. Look at mine. I'm gonna get that one on that s'mores right there.
That thing is sticky.
That one's perfect. That is just, that's the way they're supposed to be, right there. And see what happens now is,
They start to
they're hot, so they're gonna make the chocolate melt.
Yeah.
Okay?
This is toast.
Get that one off there and we'll make you do another one. Put it on here.
Oh.
Put it on the chocolate.
God.
And I'll capture it with this. Okay, pull your fork out. Don't forget that fork is hot now. Okay, let's put a double marshmallow on
Yeah, yummy stuff.
for the next one, okay?
Yeah.
Your fork.
Look at that yummy stuff.
Yummy stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, I want to eat a marshmallow.
You want to eat a marshmallow without toasting it?
Yeah.
Here. Yours to do.
Mm.
Your wish is my command, sir. Okay. All right, here, you gonna toast these two up for me? We'll set these aside. We gotta take a thumbnail, you know. We gotta make a thumbnail of this. These graham crackers all broke up.
Yeah.
We had plenty of Hershey's chocolate. They gave us 4 chocolate bars. So we're gonna, let's make another one. Let's make about 4 of these. Then we'll take a thumbnail, and that'll be the end of the video, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
You want it to be in a Rootboy video, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That looks really
So now you're in one. You gonna tell all your friends at school?
Look at the marshmallow.
You like a marshmallow just plain, huh?
Mm.
Just a plain marshmallow.
I like that.
Yeah? That's weird. I don't know. Let's put another piece of chocolate on this one. And I think we're gonna go with double chocolate on this one. What do you think? Because you got two marshmallows that you're roasting up. Throw this stuff away.
Ah.
Careful. Don't, should I make a double marshmallow too?
Guess so.
Don't let it get in the fire, buddy. We don't want it charred. We just want it toasted. Yeah, I'm gonna make a double marshmallow on mine.
I think mine's just.
On the next one. No, it's fine. Keep going. Keep it going.
If mine's up.
Buddy,
If mine's
remember, the food gods hate a coward. So just keep keep her rolling. Keep her rolling. See, like that. Yours is charred, very nicely charred. But very nice looking s'mores so far.
I want to eat one already.
You want to eat one?
Yeah, maybe.
Well, I gotta do the picture first. I gotta take a picture of them for the thumbnail of the s'mores. We gotta arrange them nicely on the plate, which they're not cooperating. They're very sticky.
We're gonna.
Oh, yours is toasted. Good. Now what?
Look at that dude.
Toast the other side.
Look at this dude.
Look at that dude.
This is good.
Toast the other side like that. Once you get that toasted, I'll set mine aside, or maybe I won't. I don't even know.
I did mine like this, so I can.
Yeah, see that fire? That's what's happening. You're getting the fire. Pull it out of the fire. Right there. Hold it right there. Okay.
And why are you blowing?
It's okay if it gets a little char on it, because that's what would happen on a campfire anyway, right? I'm going to set this one over here.
Can you eat char?
Yeah, you can eat it. Char's good for you.
Why?
Put your marshmallows right here. Be careful now. Don't forget, that fork is hot.
I know.
So put them right here. Put them right there. I'll capture it with the other part of the... Pull it out.
That is.
Pull it out. See all that squishy marshmallow on there? Don't that look good?
Yeah.
Tell you what, let's make one more. Let's make one more to make a pretty thumbnail. We'll have 4 of these puppies on there with that melty cheese. I mean, melty cheese. Melty chocolate.
It's not cheese.
It's not cheese, it's chocolate. Get it right, Grumpy.
The marshmallow looks
Here.
like Swiss.
Let's do one more
Yeah.
for you. And I still have one to roast. And I want to get some more chocolate. We'll still have one thing of chocolate left over. Let's get this, whatever you call that thing, a graham cracker. Graham crackers.
After we do the thumbnail, let's eat it. Let's eat it.
After we do the thumbnail, we will eat some s'mores, okay?
And we have to put it in the video.
I'm going to put a double chocolate on this one. What do you think? Double chocolate?
Yeah, I'm good.
Go for it?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, go for it. I need another graham cracker. Okay, I got it. All right. I'm gonna toast up my marshmallow. I got my other
Standing.
graham cracker standing by right here. All right, let's get some toast on that, buddy. Let's get some toast going on there.
This is
Roll it around. Look at that hot
Mine-
fire. It's hot now.
Mine's kissing yours.
Don't. You're smushing your marshmallow on me. Look, it's coming off.
No.
Look, it came off. Ah, that's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. Get yours a little bit toasty.
So,
And then you can put yours on there and we'll smash it down. And we'll do the thumbnail and then we could eat. We could try out our s'mores. So get a little bit more toast on that one. You're doing fine.
yeah.
Yeah. Go a little bit closer to the fire. And try not to dip into the coals. Okay? Because that's why you got that char on there. Pull it back to you a little bit. Right there, that's the hot spot.
That's right.
Pull it up just a little bit. Pull up your handle. No, the other handle. Pull it towards you. Pull it towards you. And go up to get a little closer to the fire. Like this, buddy.
Oh.
Okay? Turn it, turn it. It's getting toasty.
Yeah, I saw that.
Looking good.
Looking yummy.
All right. I think it's ready. Drop it on here. Quick, careful. Careful. Ah, I'm gonna lose it.
Wait.
Get it on there.
Here?
Get it on there. Ah! You did it. All right, that's a beautiful one. That's gonna look good in the photo. See? S'mores. How about that, huh?
Yummy.
All right. Let's do the thumbnail, and then we can eat. Right? I'm gonna put the cover on this because it's hot. Stay tuned.
Yes.
Don, are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready to taste one?
Yep.
Let me tell you what. I think you should taste this one because look at that chocolate. Look how that chocolate melted on there. See that?
Look what it did to the little crab.
Should have brought a napkin out here. Hang on. We got napkins here somewhere. You just wait 1 second. Let me get a napkin because I know you're going to make a mess.
Yeah.
I got a napkin. Okay. All right. Let's do the taste. Let's do the taste test, Maddox.
Can I do this one first?
Do you want that one or that one?
This one.
I'll eat this one. It's not a problem. Look at that melty chocolate on there. Mmm. How is it? Thumbs up? Talk. Put it back. Grab it. Mmm. Oh, that's good. That's all melty chocolate right there.
Melty.
Mmm. Mmm. Wow. How is it?
Good.
Look at your hair. What a mess here. Look at your face. Here. Wipe your nasty face. Look at yourself. You're a mess. Want a beer? No beer? No beer this week? Can I eat this piece? They're falling apart, but that's part of the fun of them, I think. Mmm. Mmm. Should we share these with Carter?
He doesn't even like anything.
He doesn't like them, huh?
Never even tasted.
Alright. Well, that's our video. How was it?
Right.
Great? You know what I always say? I usually have a beer. And I say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up to the iCard. But the iCard this week is going to be something special. You know my other channel, Babbies and Friends, that you're on?
Yeah.
I'm going to recommend people go to that so they want to see more videos of you, Maddox, and the other members of your gang, Olivia and Hendrix and Carter, Cameron, and Rowan. They're all there, right? So how you like your s'mores? You gonna eat more? S'more?
I'm gonna finish one.
Gonna eat s'more? Yeah? How is it? Chocolatey goodness, huh?
Chocolatey yum yums.
Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yep.
Say it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Give me the thumbs up. A little louder, please. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
For cuteness.
For me.
For you. And your name is what?
Mr. Rootboy T-Rex.
Mr. Rootboy T-Rex. Okay. That's a good name, I guess. I can't stop eating this s'mores. They're really good.
Me too.
I wish I could just have it like a dip. Alright, well, that's our video.
It looks like I got poop on my thumb, but it's a chocolate.
Lick that piece of chocolate off your thumb. Crazy boy. So did you have fun making s'mores with Grumpy?
Yeah.
Oh, got a mouthful now. Look at that marshmallow pull. That's almost as good as a cheese pull. So you had a good time? You made a video?
Yeah.
Made some s'mores?
Yeah.
Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we'll see you next week.
See you next week.
Bye!
Bye.
Say it.
Bye.
Like a crazy person. Bye!
Bye.
Okay, Maddie, thank you.